Alright, so what is good, everybody out there? This is, of course, your boy B, Bullet RC, coming to you guys again with yet another video. And today, of course, NBA season is back in full swing, and today I actually got a special package. A brand new custom gift package actually from today's video sponsor. But let's go ahead and pick up the box. As y'all can see, it is a big boy. And something else that y'all might have noticed is that, yes, we did go ahead and get a table. Trust me, we all love the choir stand, and I still have it, but this was too thick of a package for the choir stand to handle. So we're trying something a little bit new, trying something a little bit different today. And of course, I mean, y'all probably peeped, we got the fireplace in the back staying extra cozy. Now, the beautiful thing about having a big table is that I can actually get into this box real easy. Y'all already know how we gotta do it. Y'all see it? Blam. Let's go ahead and get into it. First off, I really don't want to mess up the packaging on the inside because I know what it looks like. So I gotta be kind of careful with this unboxing right here. This is probably the biggest box that I've gotten all of 2020. And if I go ahead and just pop that, y'all can kind of see what's going on the inside. Big salutes to NBA Kicks and of course New Balance for sending it over the pack. And I feel like y'all can definitely see why we needed the big table for the big unboxing. So let me go ahead and just slide this huge thing out of here. Nothing else in the box. We don't need it. And as y'all can see, salutes to New Balance for sending over the package. And this is a huge custom Jolly Rancher New Balance package, carton, whatever you want to call it. As you guys can see on the actual box, there's actually two different sides. This first side is kind of like your regular Jolly Rancher side, and then of course we got the more kawaii side. We got straight faces all around the front, New Balance and Jolly Rancher on the top. On this side right here, you can actually see kawaii down here. The kawaii Jolly Rancher collection available on a court near you. And then on the other side, you actually get like nutritional facts, but this time it's called the straight facts. About 82 servings per container, amount of points per game 27.1. You got your stats, rebounds, steals, assists, blocks, minutes played, not a significant source of hot takes, celebration, or chest bumping, interviews, or tweets. I mean, it's Kawhi, bro. So blam, first off, you get the boom, big custom packaging, and now we have to actually get into the shoes on the inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this down like this, and we're gonna go ahead and pop this bad boy open. First thing that popped up was a tee. There's also an actual pack of Jolly Ranchers in here. I'm pretty sure Cairo and Anna will probably eat these right here. And then on the inside, oh no, it's actually two different boxes, and they actually come both in a different Jolly Rancher wrapping. If I go ahead and flip this over, blam, both shoes come in Jolly Rancher wrapping. Let me go ahead and take these out. Is there anything else in the bottom? No. Okay, nothing else in the bottom. We can flip this back up, snap it on together, and I'm gonna flip it to the kawaii side. I like that side better. Now let's go ahead and get into the actual shoes on the inside. And as I mentioned before, you do get the two different boxes. Now there were a few different shoes in the actual full collection, but since I have two right here, I'm not gonna read the box label, and we're just gonna go ahead and get into them. Take off the rubber bands, and let's go ahead and get into the packaging right here. If I go ahead and slide these out, we got the first box, and while we're doing that, we might as well go ahead and take this one out as well. And okay, both boxes are out. First up, we're gonna jump into this guy right here. If we flip this open, the all over gray box, and these are the actual New Balance 327s, which makes this my first pair of 327s. This is a shoe that I've been wanting to try out, and there's also that new perforation pack as well. One of the newer, more popular New Balance models. This time, no, it is in that all over Jolly Rancher makeup. You got that crazy green also right here creeping up all the way through the back heel. On the upper, seems like you got suede, you got nylon, you got the Jolly Rancher characters on the inside with that straight face, that kawaii face, and New Balance back here as well. And this pair also comes with this extra set of yellow laces. This is a very crazy pair of 327s. Let me make sure to check out the other side as well. And again, salutes to NB for sending these over. So blam, that's the first pair, the all over blue 327s. Now let's go ahead and move this box out of the way and get into the white box right here. Next up and last up, the final shoe that was actually in the package. You got that all over white New Balance box with that kawaii sig, and you should already know that this is going to be the kawaii sneaker. Now I don't know which colorway. There was actually two different colorways, but from through the paper I can already see this color is matching this one. So this is the all over blue pair of the New Balance kawaii. Of course, his signature shoe right here, and again, a very loud cloud colorway just like on the 327, and I do like that New Balance hit at the back right there. Now you get a lot of those same little small details from the box and the 327 on this pair. On the tongue you get that Kawhi Leonard Jolly Ranchers logo again. You get the Kawhi laugh on the side with the straight face character. You get that icy blue outsole with the yellow peeking through on the bottom. And another small detail is that actually on the tongue, I didn't notice this before, but it has some more stats: 4 times All-Star, 2 times champion, 2 times Finals MVP, and 2 times Defensive Player of the Year. And that is going to be it. Again, salutes to NBA Kicks, salutes to New Balance for sending over this holiday New Balance pack, and one of the craziest packaging that I've seen hit the doorstep all 2020. But listen, man, that is gonna be it. I hope you guys enjoyed the new look, the new unboxing look, and it is time to go ahead and get up out of here. So make sure you drop a like on this vid, sub up if you haven't already, and finesse the bell as well. More videos coming this week, a lot of list videos on the way, and I hope y'all enjoyed this one. So much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Twitch. The Twitch is BulletRC, by the way. Here, there, Blessed, of course, I got one right here. I got one right here. BulletRC, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Time for me to go edit and get some more videos ready for y'all this week. That is it. Much love. Peace.